Hi everyone! If you're new to my channel, welcome. And for everyone else, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate it. So if you want to hear the results of how I did last week, then just keep watching. Okay, so here it goes. My main thing, which is my big challenge, is doing the 1 mile a day. So I knew I wasn't going to be able to do the 1 mile without stopping, but I have gotten better and better every day. So like the first day I really started out rough, but I'm happy with my progress every day. I'm able to run a little bit longer, a little bit further, and the total time that it takes me to do the mile is also going down. So that's a big plus. I'm very proud of that. I'm going to keep going. And the second part was what I've been eating. And I have cut way back on the carbs. I'm really proud of that. I'll insert a few clips of the dinners that I took pictures of that we had that were really delicious. I did have a cheat day. I had a hamburger and fries, but that was part of the plan too. I'm wanting this to be something that I can do, like a lifestyle change, something that I can maintain. If I do strict keto, I'm not going to keep it up. I may lose weight, I may lose it fast, which I usually do on keto, but I know that once I'm done with keto, then I'll go back to my normal way of eating, and that's where the trouble starts. So what I would rather do is just go low carb, not strict keto, and then just be able to maintain this as my lifestyle. So that's my plan. And for the drum roll, please, I actually lost 1.1 pounds this week. I can't do the math in my head. 6.1 pounds is what it would be. It's pretty easy to add 5 and 1 plus 1, 1.1. But my weight this morning was 209.5. So it's going down. It's going down slow. I do have Hashimoto thyroiditis, which is just, it's a hypothyroid. My thyroid is very slow, so it slows my metabolism. So with my age and everything, I do expect to lose weight a little slower than I had in the past. So I'm very happy with 1.1 pound. I'd be happy with any weight loss. So, and like I said, I mean, this is a lifestyle. So if I can maintain this lifestyle and lose, a pound a week, half a pound a week, over time, it's going to add up. So thank you for everyone who's following along and rooting me on. I really appreciate all the kind words and motivation. It's just fantastic. It's just so uplifting to me. So keep those cheers coming, because I really need them. I hope you enjoy the video, and here's the recipe. Actually, before I show the recipe, I just wanted to show how my week of running went. So here's day 1. I know that's a lot of time, but it did get better. I run very slow. I have short legs, and I'm walking a lot. Here's day 2. My time did get a little bit better, and I'm working on it. Here's day 3. And you can see my dog was right by my side. My husband says he's my shadow. And this week there was only 6 days because I started on Thursday and I wanted to do all the way through Wednesday, but I needed time to edit, so I cut it off on Tuesday. But next week it should be the full 7 days. now for the recipe. It's egg roll in a bowl, but I added some extra vegetables than what they normally add. It is a keto recipe, so I didn't mind adding in a few more carbs. And I'll have the full recipe in the description box. So I started out with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Most of the recipes ask for sesame oil, but I didn't have it, so I just made do. It's about that much onion. I would say maybe a half a cup once I'm done chopping it all up. And then in the recipe, to all the recipes that I saw, I used various, so I'm not gonna link to one because I didn't use one in particular. Kind of just made it my own. So most of the recipes asked for just the white of the onions, but I went a little bit higher. It seemed like such a waste for all the green part, and it tastes so good. Sautéing the green onion and the red onion until they're a little bit soft. And for some reason my camera went blurry, but I just added probably about a teaspoon of garlic, maybe a teaspoon and a half. And the blurry, it comes back in focus in a little bit. There we go. And this is about a pound of ground pork. The recipes that I saw too, most of them asked for ground beef. I like the way it tastes better with the ground pork. I think next time though, I'm going to try it with ground chicken. And again, the camera went blurry, but I was adding in a little bit of salt, ginger, and Sriracha sauce. And here I'm adding about half a cup of mushrooms and about a cup of broccoli and half a cup of carrots. And I just sauteed it until everything softened up a little bit. And then I added a 14-ounce package of the coleslaw mix. And here is a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar and 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then you just saute it until the cabbage is soft, which takes about maybe 5-10 minutes. It's a very easy recipe. It's all in one pan, so cleanup is easy. It's one of my favorites, and here is what it looks like served in a bowl. And here's a couple of the meals we had this week. It's a meat patty with green bean french fries and a salad. And then this one is actually meatloaf with broccoli and a salad. They were both very delicious. And I always forget to take pictures of the meals. So sorry I didn't have more, but I'll try to do better next week. Thanks for watching.